Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can change the vehicle type on Waze. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Waze app, then click on the My Waze option. After that, click on the settings at the top left corner. Then click on the navigation, and you can see the last one is vehicle type. So you can choose the private for cars with no special restrictions, taxi, get routes great for taxis, the motorcycle, get routes great for motorcycles, and the electric get routes great for electric vehicles. So regarding the vehicle type, you can select the navigation, I mean the routes, and then the Waze will navigate you to those routes which are meant for private taxi or motorcycle or electric vehicles. So this is a really great feature in this app. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.